Apparently Antigua is crying. We have to leave. We're all getting the shower here. And there is our new mooring ball being put in. Look at that. Pretty big time working. Going to put our mooring ball in. We're gonna be sitting there. See, I told you. I told you. See, guys, sad. We're leaving. It has to rain. We can't leave. We are leaving. Yeah, we gotta go home. We gotta go home. The Christmas. Feel the Christmas spirit. Quite something, eh? So they're putting a mooring ball in there.
Over here more?
On that side.
On the other side?
Yeah.
I can check. You think it's too shallow here?
Yeah, it's 10 feet. Yeah, but this belongs to him. The other one is mine that we're going to put up.
Oh, okay. Over the other side.
Yeah, so if you can look,
Let's do that.
but I don't have a lady from Crystal likes to be on that side.
No, I like here too. This would be perfect.
Huh?
I like it here too. I can swim to shore, plus I can save the person who is nuts. You gotta go over there. You gotta go over there. Oh!
It's all in this boat.
Okay, let's go.
So you want me to scoot over there?
Yeah. Huh?
I'll go check that side out.
Yeah.
All right. So did you do any work here?
Huh?
Did you do? Are you putting a ball here?
Yeah.
That's
One
ours.
belongs to him.
Yeah.
Oh, hold it. How does he get first rate? We took you over. We gave you a special deal. Oh! I know, Bernie.
The king of Jolly Harbor.
Bye. Here's our mooring ball. Right there. And that's at 6'6". 6 feet 6.
Let me go past the rope straight for you.
Past the
Get
rope?
ready to go, Speedy.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, stop. Okay, here is the boat for the next couple of weeks. Look at this beautiful mooring ball we got. Thanks to Trini. Bernie, I guess, too. Perfect spot here. Perfect spot. Tell ya, anybody wants to come down here for a week with me? It's just gorgeous. Here we go. Signing off. We'll see you soon again.